Pests and insects, understanding the differences and their impact. In the intricate web of nature, insects play a crucial role as a diverse group of organisms. They exhibit an astounding array of shapes, sizes, and ecological roles. However, not all insects are created equal, as some can pose significant threats to human health, agriculture, and the environment. This is where the concept of pests emerges. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into the world of pests and insects, highlighting their differences, classifications, ecological roles, and the challenges they present. We will explore the intricate relationship between humans and these small yet formidable creatures, as well as the various control measures employed to mitigate their impact. Understanding insects. Insects are a class of invertebrates within the phylum Arthropoda, characterized by a segmented body, 3 pairs of legs, a pair of antennae, and often, a pair of wings. They are incredibly diverse, with over 1 million identified species worldwide, and an estimated 5 to 30 million yet to be discovered. Insects inhabit virtually every ecosystem on the planet, ranging from the depths of oceans to the highest mountains. They perform critical roles such as pollination, decomposition, nutrient cycling, and serving as a vital food source for many organisms. Defining pests. Pests, on the other hand, are a subset of insects that cause harm or nuisance to humans, livestock, crops, structures, or the environment. The term pest is often subjective and context-dependent, varying across regions and cultures. Generally, pests interfere with human activities, causing economic losses, spreading diseases, damaging property, or disrupting ecosystems. Examples of common pests include mosquitoes, cockroaches, termites, bedbugs, and agricultural crop pests like aphids, weevils, and locusts. Classification and types of pests. Pests can be classified into different categories, based on their impact and habitat. Some key types include structural pests. These pests target buildings and structures, seeking shelter and food sources. Examples include termites, ants, rodents, and cockroaches. Agricultural pests. These pests primarily affect crops and agricultural activities, leading to yield losses and decreased food production. Agricultural pests encompass insects like aphids, caterpillars, beetles, and plant diseases caused by fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Health pests. These pests are associated with the transmission of diseases to humans and animals. Mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, and rodents are significant contributors to the spread of diseases, such as malaria, dengue fever, Lyme disease, and plague. Ecological roles of pests and insects. While pests cause significant problems, it is essential to recognize that insects, in general, play vital roles in ecosystems. Insects serve as pollinators, facilitating the reproduction of plants and the production of fruits and seeds. They contribute to nutrient recycling through decomposition and serve as a food source for other animals, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. Insects also act as biological control agents, preying on other pests and helping maintain ecological balance. Impacts and challenges. Pests pose several challenges and impacts on various fronts. Economic impact. Pests cause substantial economic losses by damaging crops, stored products, and structures. In agriculture, they can reduce yields, increase production costs due to the need for pest control measures, and even lead to food shortages and increased prices. Health concerns. Certain pests act as vectors for diseases, posing a direct threat to human and animal health. Mosquitoes, for example, transmit malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and West Nile virus, affecting millions of people worldwide. Ecological disruption. Invasive pests can disrupt ecosystems by outcompeting native species, causing imbalances in natural food chains and affecting biodiversity. This can lead to cascading effects, including reduced ecosystem resilience and stability. Pest control measures. Addressing pest-related challenges requires a multifaceted approach. Integrated Pest Management, IPM, is a holistic strategy that combines various techniques to minimize pests' impact, while reducing reliance on chemical pesticides. IPM methods include cultural controls. Practices such as crop rotation, sanitation, habitat modification, and proper waste management can help prevent and manage pests effectively. 2. Biological controls. This involves using natural enemies of pests, such as predators, parasitoids, and pathogens, to suppress their populations. Ladybugs, nematodes, and Bacillus thuringiensis are examples of beneficial organisms used in biological control. Chemical controls. When necessary, targeted and judicious use of chemical pesticides can be employed. However, their use should be minimized to prevent negative impacts on human health and the environment. Genetic controls. Emerging technologies, such as genetic modification, hold promise for developing pest-resistant crop varieties, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Insects, as a diverse group, play pivotal roles in ecosystems, contributing to pollination, decomposition, and nutrient cycling. However, certain insects become pests when they pose threats to human health, agriculture, and the environment. Recognizing the differences between insects and pests is crucial for understanding their impact and devising effective control measures. By adopting integrated pest management approaches, we can strike a balance between minimizing pest-related damage and preserving the ecological roles insects fulfill in our world.